My dudes, my guys, my freaking boys, we're back at Capitol. Let's go! Bunch of the homies are here today. It's a very rainy day, so I know it's gonna be super slick, but we're gonna go try to make the best of it. Let's get it. All right, let's get it, boys. We'll take that. We'll take that. Yo, I'm happy I came here and practiced last weekend. I can tell you that. That made that way easier. All right, y'all. I did one lap, and Cam's behind us. He wants a tandem already. I ain't even warmed up yet. What the heck? Cam's putting the pressure on. All right, guys, that was a rough one. Cam was like on us, crazy. Sheesh. All right, so we're gonna try to, I'm gonna try to run like a little bit of different line at the beginning, and then we're gonna try to get closer in a tree turn out there, so. That was like perfect, guys. That was so good. That was so good. That was so good. All right, let's get it.
Dude, that was phenomenal. That was phenomenal. He was pretty damn close.
Let's go.
Pretty close.
Let's go.
Dude, this road is
Yo, we're getting crazy tandems, dude. Crazy tandems, me and the boy Cam. Sheesh.
close, and I was trying to figure out why you.
I was like, dude, like this corner, like I was.
Yo,
losing
no,
the
I
whole
see.
time.
I think it might have been when you debeated. because I heard like in that turn. So I don't know. You were either on my door or debeated like right there.
Did I hit you? Did I touch you?
I don't know.
No, I don't think
you were
you did.
big close.
Dog, this has been nuts. I've been ripping it.
I didn't, like, you were like right here, like the wheel turned out. Yeah, I guess let's go. Try to put air in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on.
All right, Andy, what are we doing, dude?
We're tandeming.
Whoa, that's
Whoa,
crazy.
dude.
Whoa.
All right, now turn it off.
Yeah. I'm the worst cameraman ever.
Yeah, he definitely hit my door. How bad is my door? You hit it?
When did I hit it with my tire?
I don't know.
Missed like a little bit of paint, like a tiny bit.
Yeah, I heard it was like bow. I was like, oh. Oh yeah. It is a little dent, but I got library to cover it.
That's what you want on your car, though.
All right, now let me follow you. Let me try to follow you at least. Yeah, it's got a dent and missing paint.
Hey, let's go.
Yo, that save was crazy. That was close. That was close. It's a couple days later. I still haven't cleaned the cars, but yeah, we got out of all that crazy driving with that. That is the only damage on either car. Cam's car has like a little tire rub on his door, and he debeated but didn't hurt anything. It was a good time. I mean, that was the best driving I've ever done in my life, I think. I'm starting to get really, really comfortable in this car. I wish it was dry out, but you know, you take what you can get. Devin got robbed. Shout out to Devin. Devin got robbed again. So the last video that we did drift in the 350Z, I was chasing him and the GoPro died halfway through our run, and I was like on him, boy. And this time CJ was recording in the back of his car, and for some reason halfway through the run the GoPro shut off. So if y'all want to see some like Lexus drifting stuff, comment in the let me know it down below, and I'll just have to go with Devin one day and we'll figure it out. But yes, that's that. Shout out Devin, CJ, Tommy, Heather, Jess, Cam, everybody that came out to hang out. Shout out to all y'all. Shout out to Zell, the photographer. Bonsai Poppy on Instagram. He got like a bunch of cool clips and pictures and stuff like that. He made like a little edit on that I posted on my Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching this one. If y'all like this, please let me know in the comments. It helps me out a ton. I'll see y'all later. Peace.